Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the brightness in the settings. So we're going to go over and open up the settings app. Here we need to go and scroll down until you see display. And what are we going to do first is disable adaptive brightness so that it doesn't adjust the brightness automatically. And here we want to manage it. So I lowered it. And what are we going to do next is we're going to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So open the Play Store. Now after you open up the Play Store, go to search. And now after going into the search, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and here we're typing screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. We are focused on this app right here with the dark background. This is the icon. And of course, now we're going to click install. It's less than 2 megabytes. It's 1.5. So it installs pretty quickly. Now we're going and giving the permission. The first one so that it can access the brightness settings. The next one, whenever we change our overlay, enable keyboard or rotate our screen, it has to have that feature. And of course, the next one, we get the notifications so it can display the brightness bar in the notifications area. So now we can adjust it. Of course, we have buttons like brightness settings. Now we want to make it brighter or dimmer. We can also go and here we can click on advanced and we can change the minimum physical brightness, what is controlled by the app and what is controlled by the system. And of course we got the change delay. We can change it to 1 second and change duration 200 milliseconds for an example, or 2.5 seconds. So it will basically try and look like this. So now you can just turn it off if you don't want it. Of course, I'm gonna go and adjust the brightness again, because whenever you turn this off, the brightness is a little bit lowered and we don't want it. So now as a last resort, what are we gonna do? If it's still not working and it's flickering, we are gonna go and update our software. So tap on system updates, tap on check for updates, and here you'll have an option to download and install the latest version if you're not on the latest one already. So I only got the got it button. But if you do have an update, make sure to update. It is very important to keep up with it. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.